G'day everyone, it's Al from Al's Trucks here. Today I'm going to show you how to put a road train together. So this is just going to be a basic explanation. I'll put up a more detailed one later on. So as you can see here in this video, I've already got my lead trailer and my dolly set up, and I'm now just dropping my rear trailer behind it in a nice straight line. Now that I've done that, I can hook up to my lead trailer, raise it up, give it a little tug test, get out, get under, check that the kingpin is locked, wind the legs up, jump up, do the airlines, and then go for a little quick run around the front to just put the road train signs up. Then I do a quick little tug test forward, 1, 2, and we go back and we line ourselves up, but don't fully connect to the trailer yet. The reason we do that is we just need to make sure that the height is correct, that the rear trailer is not too high, and make sure that we haven't gone too far back. So when we back on like we do now, it's just a smooth, straight run onto the kingpin. You don't drag your legs, and you're able to give it a tug test. Then after your tug test, you follow the same thing. Check the kingpin, wind the legs, connect your airlines, make sure your signs are up. And if you're paranoid like me, you can even do a couple of extra tug tests. The next time I have a bit more time, I'll make a bit more of a detailed video. Thanks for watching, legends, and don't forget to keep it shiny side up and like and subscribe.